Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the Find My Device or Find My Mobile settings on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is just swipe up on your home screen and select the Settings gear button. And then you want to scroll down and select the Security and Privacy tile. And then scroll down again to the bottom underneath Other Settings where it says More Security and Privacy. And then scroll down again underneath Security where it says Device Admin Apps. It may also say No Active Apps immediately underneath of it. Go ahead and select that. So if Find My Device is toggled off or to the left here, it'd be grayed out. If you want to enable it, click inside the oval to turn to the right, and then you would have to select Activate this Device Admin App. Alternatively, if it was already turned on, you can just click inside the oval one time over on this page to disable it. It'd be grayed out at that point. That means it's been turned off, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.